Hey everyone, I'm Jasmine, copywriter and certified content marketing strategist. And today I want to share with you the most important things you want to focus on when you're starting a business online from scratch. I'm going to share with you 5 things you need to do to get set up for success online. So stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Jasmine, copywriter and certified content marketing strategist, helping you get set up for success online through the power of copywriting and content marketing strategy. Let's get to work.
So today I want to talk to you about 5 things you need to do if you are wanting to turn your idea into a side hustle, or if you're wanting to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. I'm going to share with you 5 of the most important things you need to focus on in order to be set up for success online. And I'll give you a bit of a background about me. I'm celebrating 2 years now of being a full-time entrepreneur, and I remember what it was like when I was in that phase of trying to transition out of my full-time job. And I was a copywriter. I was a writer on a marketing team at a management company in corporate America. And so I was writing their radio commercials and TV commercials, direct mail campaigns, just social media, email marketing, and blogs. And so basically I was a content girl, for marketing. And I love what I did. In fact, that's why I do what I do, is because I thoroughly enjoyed what I did. I just couldn't see myself working in a cubicle for 40 years. I couldn't see myself. I know that they sold that dream to our parents. I'm a millennial, and I feel like they sold the dream of working a job for 40 years to our parents and that generation. But I ain't eating that cake. I did not see myself doing that. It just didn't seem like it would be for me. So I knew that while I was in corporate America, I had an end goal to not do that forever. In fact, I had a dream that because I had recently gotten married, so my dream was that if we were to ever start a family, I wanted to be able to be at home, working from home if I was to ever be a mom. And 2 years later, I have a 6-month-old baby girl, and I am a work from home mom. It's such a blessing. But to get back to where I was going, I remember what it was like trying to transition out of my 9-to-5 job. And the whole business side of things was a learning curve. And so I'm going to share with you the 5 things that I found to help me gain the most momentum in my business and help me get set up for success online. And so the 5 things that I want to share with you are: number 1 is you need to have some idea of your brand identity. Your brand identity is so important. You need to have understanding of your brand identity, and what I mean by that is who you are and what you represent. What do you want to be known for online? You should definitely have some type of niche, some type of thing you specialize in, or some type of thing you are known for, where people can remember you as the go-to person for that one thing. So I would say that's number 1, is your brand identity, having clarity over what it is you do and why you do it and what connects you to the thing that you are doing, right? The second thing that I want to share with you is all about your visual brand, because everyone's starting a business, but not everyone is showing up client attractive. So your visual brand matters. So whether that's your logo, especially your logo, your everything about your visual brand needs to be on point, because that's how you stand out. Because like I said, everyone's starting a business, but not everyone is showing up client attractive. And so by you even having a professional photos, professional branding, graphics, brand colors, font, everything like that, if you even have that, you are already standing out above a lot of people who are rookies in the game, especially when you're brand new. The third thing that matters is your copywriting, your messaging, is because you need to be clear about how you're going to communicate your message. Your marketing is so important, and the money is in the message. And so you need to have a way to communicate your message to your ideal clients in a way where they can pick up what you're putting down, and in a way where they see your value. You're communicating the value of what you're doing and what you offer, and you're communicating the value of doing business with you. So investing in copywriting or content marketing, or investing either in you learning how to do it yourself, or investing in a professional who can help you, because that matters. It literally is a life and death of your business. You being able to communicate your message. Your messaging is so important online. That is how you make money online, is through your message. And the fourth thing that I want to share with you that you need to have is a proven concept. So what are you offering? What are you selling? If you're selling a service or if you're selling a product, there needs to be some type of proven concept. So what I mean by that, I know people, testimonials are important. But even if you don't have a testimonial, I feel like you should be your first testimonial. You should be your first success story. So if you are selling a service or if you're selling a product, you should be the one that you're trying everything out on. And you should be the one where you could say, hey, this is like you believe in your work, you believe in what you do because you know it works. At least you know it works for you. So having a proven concept is the fourth thing that I'm sharing with you. But that's one of the most important things, is to have a proven concept. Because if you don't even believe in what you're doing, how will someone else believe in what you're doing? So that is a very important thing, right? And then the last thing that I want to share with you, the fifth thing that you need when you're starting a business from scratch, is to focus on your mindset, because your business grows just as much as you do. So when you focus on your mindset, having a millionaire mindset, or having the mindset to where you are an advocate for your own success, you are committed to your own success, you're focusing on the probability of things. You're focusing on the possibility of things and not just the probability of things. You have a mindset, a growth mindset of a high achiever, a high achieving entrepreneur. And so you need to focus on growing mentally so that your business can grow as well. So those are the 5 things that I wanted to share with you. I know that was like super quick, but I wanted to just empower you with information that you can take and run with and go from there. So let's rehash. It's about the brand identity, right? It's about your visual brand, right? It's about your copywriting. It's about your proven concept and also your mindset. When you have those things working together, then you are going to be set up for success online. So you can create more freedom, ease, and flow in your life and in your business, right? And so thank you so much for tuning in. I have so many videos on my channel about copywriting strategies to help you, because like I said, the money is in the message. So I have so many videos about getting started with copywriting and tips around that to help you grow if that's an area where you're not so sure about. And I also write blogs, so read some of my blogs to learn about the strategies as well, to get more information. Or if you want the writing prompts, I have 50 writing prompts and post ideas to help you with that part of the process. But so peace and blessings to you all. Go out and make some magic. Hope you have a beautiful rest of the day.